Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you why you should have step up rings and step down rings. So let's just get right into it. Let's just say you have two different lenses with two different diameters. What you need to do is you have one filter. They're good ones are usually not cheap. So you just have one filter, biggest one you have, and what you want to do is just get a big filter that would fit into all of your lenses. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's just say you have two of these different lenses. With two different diameters. This one's smaller, this one's bigger. What you want to do is you have an ND filter. This is a cheap one, but this is just an example. Don't buy cheap ND filters. Don't buy cheap ND filters. They're not good. Buy expensive ones because the glass quality is just good, and they won't make your photos look blurry. So let's just say you have this ND filter right here. What you want to do is you want to put it on here. It won't fit on here. So the length for the diameter for this lens is, let's just see. So this is where the diameter is listed. This is the symbol for the diameter, and it's 58 mil. So this is a 58 mil filter. What you want to do is use the step up ring. Let's just find it. All right, this is not it. Let's see here. These are step down rings. So let me just take them off. Take these off. Let's see here. 58 right here. This is a 58 mil. So this would go on here. 50, 55 to 50, 58. Let's just put that on here. All right, it's on here, right here. What you want to do is look at diameter for this. This one's right here. It's a 49 mil. So what you do is you find the step up ring here. This one is too small. Actually, this is the 49 mil right here. 49 mil right here. What you want to do is just plug that straight in. Now you have a step up ring, and it makes you can put a different size filter on your camera. Let me show you how step down rings work. So let's say you have a filter, smaller filter. They don't work as good, but let's just say you have a smaller filter. This is a 49 mil ND filter. What you want to do is get a step down ring. So here's a 49. So 49 to 52. So what you do is put that on there. Now it's a 52, but remember this one is how much? How much is this one? 58. You want to find 58. So let's just put another one on there. Which one is this? So this one is 52 to 55. So this one takes it up to 55. And actually, there's another one attached to it, which says 58 to 55. So then what you do is just put it on there. And now you have a filter, smaller filter, that fits onto your bigger lens. So that's how step-up rings work. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll leave a link to these step-up rings down in the description if you guys want to go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys later.